Today I'm going to show you how to let new members in your Telegram group see older messages, even those sent before they joined. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your group's past conversations visible, making it easier for newcomers to catch up on important info, ongoing discussions, or just the group's overall vibe. This is especially useful for larger communities, study groups, or project chats where you don't want anyone feeling left out or lost. Let's jump in and walk through the steps together. First, make sure you're using the Telegram desktop app since some settings might not show up or look different on mobile. Once you're in, go ahead and open the group that you manage. Just find it in your chat list and click to enter. If you manage several groups, double-check you're in the right one since these settings only affect the group you're currently viewing. Next, look up to the top of the chat window. You'll see your group's name there, maybe with a logo, a photo, or just the plain name. Click directly on that name. This will pull up the group's profile or info page, kind of like stepping into the control room for your group. Don't worry if you see a lot of details here, like members, photos, and permissions. That's a good sign you're in the right place. Now, up in the top right corner of this group info panel, look for the Edit button. On Telegram desktop, this is usually a little pencil icon. Click on it. If you're new to editing group settings, you might feel a bit nervous about making changes, but the pencil icon is only for adjusting details. It won't change anything until you finish and save. Inside the Edit area, look for a setting called Chat History for New Members. Sometimes, depending on the version of Telegram or your group's configuration, this might be tucked inside sections called Invite Links or Permissions. If you don't spot it right away, take a moment to browse through the available tabs or options. It's worth the search, a bit like opening drawers to look for your keys. Once you found the Chat History for New Members option, you'll see it set to either Hidden or Visible. By default, many Telegram groups keep chat history hidden from newcomers, which means when someone joins, they only see messages from that point onward. That's great for privacy, but not so much for groups where ongoing context matters. Go ahead and switch this setting to Visible. This change allows anyone who joins in the future to scroll back and see all the messages, just like paging through a group diary. It really helps when, for example, a new team member joins a project and needs to read past decisions or announcements right away. With that done, you're almost finished. Remember to save your changes, look for the Done button or sometimes just a check mark in the corner. Click that and your new setting will take effect. Telegram may take a moment to update, so don't rush, give your computer a few seconds if needed. That's it, you've now made your Telegram group much more welcoming and transparent for new members. If you've got more group admins, let them know about this change. It can really transform how information flows in your community. If you found this tutorial useful, give the video a like, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how your group uses chat history. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tips for making your online communities stronger. Thanks for watching.